It's the big political news break from the Congress party, resurgent after an encouraging performance in the Lok Sabha election. Rahul Gandhi, who won handsomely from both the seats that he fought from, both Raebareli and Wayanad, has ahead of tomorrow's deadline when he needed to choose, decided precisely the way India Today's political team told you he would. Rahul Gandhi has officially given up the Wayanad seat and picked Raebareli in Uttar Pradesh instead. His sister Priyanka Gandhi enters electoral politics directly for the first time. It's something that has only been speculated upon. She's come close to contesting a number of times but backed out at the last moment. Now we can tell you for certain, it's official and it's been announced that she will be fighting the Lok Sabha election by way of a Wayanad by-poll, the seat that will be vacated by her brother as he holds on to Raebareli. The announcement came after the Congress's top leadership held discussions at President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. Rahul said that he has an emotional connection with both the constituencies, adding that he will periodically visit Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi, remember, had fought from Wayanad in addition to Amethi in 2019. He had lost Amethi and was the MP from Wayanad for a whole term. Now he gives up Wayanad and he hopes that his sister will take it over in the by-poll that she fights. Meanwhile, Priyanka has said that she will continue to help Rahul's efforts. Take a look at what they said at this big announcement.
राहुल गांधी जी अपना रायबरेली का सीट रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि रायबरेली ये पहले से भी उनके बहुत नज़दीक है। उस फैमिली के साथ बड़ा जुड़ाव है वहाँ से और पीढ़ियों से वहाँ पर वो लड़ते आए हैं। इसीलिए वहाँ के लोगों का भी कहना है और पार्टी के लोगों का भी कहना है कि पार्टी के लिए ये अच्छा होगा कि रायबरेली सीट वो रिटेन करे। बड़े सोच समझ के हमने ये तय किया कि वायनाड से खाली सीट पे प्रियंका जी लड़ना चाहिए और इसीलिए हम पार्टी के ओर से और मेरे ओर से उनको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि हमारी बात को उन्होंने रखी है और माना है दोनों ने। इसीलिए मैं आपके सामने आके डिक्लेयर कर रहा हूं।
I have an emotional relationship with both Raebareli and the people of Wayanad. And the last 5 years as Member of Parliament of Wayanad have been a fantastic experience, a very enjoyable experience. The people of Wayanad stood with me. The people of Wayanad gave me love and affection. Every single person, regardless of party, they gave me support, love and affection. They gave me energy to fight in a very difficult time. So I will never forget that. I want everyone in Wayanad to know that Priyanka is going to fight the election in Wayanad. But I am going to be a frequent visitor to Wayanad and I am going to be available to the people of Wayanad. And the commitments that I have made, we will stand by them and we will try and deliver all those commitments. She's going to fight the election. I'm confident she's going to win the election and she's going to be a very good representative for the people of Wayanad. People of Wayanad can think about it like this. You have now 2 members of parliament. One is my sister and one is me. And my doors are always open for you throughout the rest of my life. And I love every single person in Wayanad.
भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी और जैसे इन्होंने कहा हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी।
दोनों को 2 सांसद मिल रहे हैं। सिंपल सी बात है।